You have heard today from the lawyer of Okiki Bright and Okiki Bright himself, and the lawyer of the Extra Mobile, which gave the song to Glo, Airtel, and 9MOBILE. So this is Islander Online Television.
Good morning. My name is Taufik Muritala, one of the counsels to Okiki Bright.
Okay. The judge just gave you a victory today.
Very well.
Over the intellectual step of your client song.
Very well.
Okiki Bright.
Very well.
Very well. Oritsafemi.
Very well.
Which was against the 9MOBILE, Airtel,
Mobile Estera, Global, yes.
So what can you say about this judgment?
Well, the judgment is a direction that every agent or media houses that uses musicians' properties, intellectual properties, is a signal that they must pay adequately. They must get their authority and pay adequately to them. It sends a signal to the intellectual property that they should be rest assured that their intellectual properties are safe in the hands of, in the world. Their efforts, in putting in the songs and all that is protected. That is a signal to the world.
Okay, are you okay with the 2 million naira fine against all the three?
Well, the money to me, well, the judgment, like the judge said, it's in his discretion to give the judgment, to give the punitive sum. However, we are feeling that, some of these, in fact, all of them are not just simple companies. They are not just small companies. The money is to us is a paltry sum, and we're considering, taking it further to see how we can get, more from those that use our songs without authorization. Very well. My name is Taufik Muritala.
Your name, sir?
Alayo Akombi Esquire.
Is the final judgment of the case between Okiki Bright and 4 telecommunication giants, Glo, Airtel, 9MOBILE, and Extra Mobile, over intellectual theft. And Okiki Bright lawyer filed a 400 million lawsuit. So today is the final judgment. So let's hear from the lawyer of Okiki Bright and Okiki Bright himself as they come out after the judgment. Thank you. Today is the final judgment.
Yes.
Of Okiki Bright.
Yes, very well.
Court case. So what can you say? You have been inside the suspense. So
yes, very well. Yes, the court has decided the case today. The court has put final to the matter that Okiki Bright and Oritsafemi are not co-owners of the musical award title by Sele by Okiki Bright. The court has asserted today that Okiki Bright is the owner of that music, is the original composer, and he has exclusive right to that music. And the court equally said that the copyright of Okiki Bright to that musical work has been infringed by the defendant, by the Global Limited, by the Airtel, and by the 9MOBILE and the 4th mobile Estera. The court has resolved that the defendants have infringed on the copyright of the Okiki Bright. And in awarding damages, the court look at the circumstances in totality, that the court has unfettered discretion to award damages. The court awarded 2 million damages against the defendants, and he also awarded cost of 50,000 against them. Although to our own side, when we look at the effort put in this case, we've started this case in 2017. Damages are not enough. Even the expenses incurred in pursue this case, notwithstanding the expenses, the stubbornness of the plaintiff, the expenses incurred is even beyond the 2 million naira. But as it is now, we believe that what is important is that we have victory, and that's a victory to the creative world, victory to the property development. People have been developing their intellectual property. Why we have pirates everywhere stealing the ideas of people. Now today the court has said that there's no ideal place for property theft again, intellectual property theft in Nigeria. That if you thief any of the intellectual property, you will pay consequence. Although I would have loved the court to give them punitive damages like 200 million naira, that will send a message to others. But if you give them cheeky change to all these global 2 million, how much 2 million to them? To Airtel, how much 2 million is small money. So, but we thank God for the victory.
This is one of the courts that this is one of the lawyers that just came out from the court, so wants him to talk about the judgment that just happened today. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Oweibo. I'm counsel to the fourth defendant in this matter. We are much obliged by the judgment of the court. The claimant asked the court for 450 million naira, and the court awarded only 2 million naira. That in itself for us is a victory. However, this case is beyond money. It's issue of law. All over the world, when artists collaborated to write a song or to record, every person that contributed to that song is a co-owner. And Nigerian law is very clear that where there are more than one co-owner, any of the co-owner can license the song. 2, by the Copyright Act, when you are licensing a song, it doesn't have to be in writing. These are the law. As a lawyer, we have respect for the court. We consult with our client, but we believe there's a point of law here. The problem with the Federal High Court is a specialized court, and we have been advocating that judges should specialize. Intellectual property is not well understood by most people, and that's the problem the artists are suffering. The artists are supposed to be making it all over the world. They are one of the richest people, except in Nigeria. So we are in support of the court. As a lawyer, we keep upholding copyright, but there is need for education and understanding. In this case, it was stated on the album Okiki Bright featuring Oritsafemi, which means the work of Oritsafemi is embedded in that work. He's a co-owner of that copy.
Well, what the judge is saying now is that the judgment said they are not the co-owner, that Okiki Bright is the owner of the song. And that gives him victory today.
Exactly. No, but you see, the beauty of our legal system, that's why that's an appellate court. As you notice, in High Court, only one judge will sit. Because the law knows that that judge is not an alpha omega. It's human being, you can hear. That's why they say you can appeal and 3 people will sit. 3 wise head. So the beauty, for us, in this case, the fact that the court reduced what they asked for from 450 million to ordinary 2 million naira is already okay with us. However, like I said, for the development of intellectual property, we will consult with our client and we may want to test that point of law.
Thank you very much. Your name once again, sir?
Oweibo from L&L Legal Consultant.
Thank you. Well, what is your name, sir?
My name is Okiki Bright and I'm artist.
Okay. Yeah. Sir, the judge just give you a victory today over the intellectual theft of your song, boshe, sele, which will feature Oritsafemi. So the judge now said you are the owner of your song, and you are giving the sum of 2 million naira and 50,000 as damages. So what do you have to tell your fans out there? You don't mind the language you speak to express your fans?
Yeah, everybody know me as Okiki Bright, Mr. Ibilelemi. So because I like to speak my language very well anywhere where I am. First of all, alhamdulillah, mo dúpẹ́ f'Ọlọ́run wípé judgment wáyé lénìí tí adájọ́ dẹ̀ lè sọ pé Okiki Bright ló ní oníkó owner gbàgbé bó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo kàn fẹ́ sọ fún àwọn èèyàn ni wípé especially Nigerian may understand ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ nǹkan tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú. We start this case from since 2017. Ṣé owó tí a fẹ́ ta ná láti gbà yẹn ṣé òun la fẹ́ sọ ń sìn tí wọ́n fi sọ pé 2 million naira ni kò fún wa. It's 100 million each.
Okay, that's 400.
Yeah, Glow 9MOBILE.
An extra mobile.
Yeah, an extra mobile. So, but now, wọ́n dájọ́ pé Okiki Bright is the owner of the song. Wọ́n ní kí wọ́n lọ fún wa ní fine 2 million naira. Kò ń ṣe owó yẹn ló matter. Tí kò bá ṣe wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ a lot of people, a lot of musicians tó wà ní Nigeria yìí tó ṣe pé iṣẹ́ wọn wọ́n fi ọpọlọ wọn ṣe iṣẹ́, wọ́n dẹ̀ ń ṣe iṣẹ́ àwọn kan dẹ̀ ń gbé iṣẹ́ yẹn wọ́n dẹ̀ lọ ń tà láì gbàṣẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn. So ó ń jẹ́ kí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ gan máa ro ọpọlọ wọn ṣe iṣẹ́ mọ́. because for you láti gbé orin olórin láti lọ tà láti lọ láì gbàṣẹ lọ́wọ́ olórin ó wrong. That is problem ta ní Nàìjíríà débi wípé a kì í fight lórí a kì í ṣẹ̀tọ́. So mo máa ń kọrin kan wípé ìlú tá a wà yìí olótìtọ́ máa ń kú sí ipò ìkà. Ṣé understand? Mo máa ń sọ gbogbo gbà olóòótọ́ wọ́n máa ń kú sí ipò kan ni tó bá ti lẹ́ni lẹ́yìn nílùú kankan, but alhamdulillah pé adájọ́ ti ẹ̀dájọ́ pé yà Okiki Bright is a owner of the song. So ọlọ́run ọba nìkan lọ́ba tó mẹjọ́ dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dá bá dá tó dáre ọlọ́run wá tún dá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ dá bá dá tí ò dáre ọlọ́run wá tún dá. Ṣùgbọ́n ká rántí pé ọjọ́ kan là ó lọ. So simple.
Lákòótọ́ sà torí mo rí pé Yorùbá yẹn ni ẹ ti máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa. Lákòótọ́ sà ṣé ẹjọ́ yẹn ó tẹ́ yín lọ́rùn àbí ẹ ṣì wò bóyá máa wù àbí kílẹ̀ rò?
Yeah, ó depend lórí nǹkan tí lọ́ọ̀yà mi bá sọ. Ó depend lórí nǹkan tí lọ́ọ̀yà mi bá ṣe. So nǹkan tí lọ́ọ̀yà mi bá ṣe ló máa jẹ́ ká mọ̀ what next to do. Thanks so much. Yeah. Orúkọ mi ni Okiki Bright. Mr. Ìbílẹ̀ lèmi.
Viewers at home.
Okay, I'm coming. You are right.